Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to change the default language for your Windows 10, which also includes the default language, display language for your Windows 10. Now, without any wasting any time, let's get started. Now, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start window, start icon, and go to settings. Under settings, you will have to go to time and language. Now, before we get into that option, in case if you want to set a default language only on one device, if you have connected to a Microsoft connected account and you don't want that language to be changed on other device, then please make sure under settings you will have to go to accounts. Under accounts, you will have to go to sync your settings. And under sync your settings, you will have to change the language preferences off. So this will make sure that your language settings does not synchronize with your other devices. Now, once you have done that, you can go back to the Windows setting page, click on time and language. Under time and language, you will have to click on language tab from the left hand side. Now, in my case, I have a default language as English United States. If I want to change the language for the demonstration purpose, let me go ahead and change it to Spain or Spaniel. So let me select Spanish here and click on next. So here I have an option. You want to change the speech and handwriting for the demonstration purpose. Let me select this options here and then click on install now. Now what this will do is this will go ahead and install the language pack on the computer. So if you want to look at the status, you can click on the options and you will see that the language option, you will have to click on download. So this is about 70 to 80 megabytes. Now, depending on your internet speed, this might take about 5 to 10 minutes or maybe less than that if you have a good internet speed. So let's wait till the language pack is being downloaded and installed on the computer. So if you look at the screen, the Spanish language pack has been already downloaded and installed on the computer. Now, if you go back to the regional language settings here, you have an option of Spanish here. So all you have to set your display language or default app and display languages. You will have to toggle between the window. You will see the second option. You will have to click on this arrow and set this as a default. Now, once that is done, what you will see is you will have to log out and log out and log in back on the same user account. That will change the default settings. Now, another thing, if you want to change your default language settings, you will also make sure that you will change the region to Spain here and also regional format to Spanish, or you can select any of the country based on the country where you're located. So once that is done, now you can also go to the additional time settings, click on change number formats under administrative. You will have to click on copy settings. Under copy settings, you will see an option copy your current settings to welcome screen and system accounts and new user accounts. So if you check this box, what will happen is it will go ahead and change your language to the new user account and also the display settings. So let me click on OK and then go ahead and restart my computer and click on that should change my default language. So please be patient while I go ahead and sign out and sign off from the machine. So what you will have to do is you'll have to sign out again and click on shutdown. So I have successfully signed out and signed on back to my user account. Now, if you go back to the click on the Windows settings, you will see that the language has been changed to Spanish. So this is how you can go ahead and change the default language on your Windows 10 machine. In case if you want to revert back to the settings, what you will have to do is you will have to go back to the start menu or start button, go to settings again and go to time and language settings. under time and language settings, you will have to click on the language again. Set your the previous language as a default. You will have to toggle here. Set English as a default, and you can go ahead and remove these options here. So that will remove the language pack which you have already installed on the computer. So this is a quick video tutorial on how to change the default language settings on your Windows 10. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great